Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. So getting right into it, the shampoo and conditioner that I'm going to be using is this Curl Quench and Coconut Oil by Maui Moisture. Before I go in with the shampoo, I like to make sure that my hair is completely drenched in water. That way it's easier for me to get a good lather when I do go in with the shampoo. When I'm shampooing my hair, I like to focus the lather mostly on my scalp because I feel like that's where most of my product buildup always is. And then I just like run the remainder of it down through the rest of my hair so I'm not completely stripping it and drying it out. Whenever I apply conditioner, I always start at the ends of my hair and work my way up, and I always go in with a good amount. As y'all can see, it's pretty easy for me to work the conditioner into my hair with my fingers, and that's because I did section and detangle my hair before washing. Now I'm just going to let the conditioner sit for a few minutes while I go ahead and repeat the same steps on the other side of my hair. Once I'm done conditioning, I'm going in with this Macadamia Deep Repair Mask. And I feel like any repair mask is good for your hair to prep it for any type of styling that you may be doing. I don't remember what I was listening to right here, but it had to be bumping because, baby, I was lit. Getting back into the hair, I'm going in with a second coat of the deep conditioner just so I can make sure that my hair is completely saturated. Once everything is applied, I'm going to just go ahead and put my hair in a bun. That way the steam from the water can help the mask to deeper penetrate my hair. Okay, now I'm rinsing out the deep conditioner after letting it sit for about 10 minutes, and oh my god, I wish y'all could feel how soft and manageable my hair felt after that mask. I like to make sure that my hair is still feeling soft even after I start styling it, so when I rinse out the conditioner, I never rinse it out completely. I always try to leave a little bit of it behind. So that is pretty much my wash day routine before I get ready to style my hair. I just like to make sure I shampoo, condition, and deep condition. These are not my holy grail products, but I feel like as long as I have a thick conditioner and hair mask, then I'm good to go. If y'all would like to see how I actually blow dry and straighten my hair, then go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. As always, thank y'all so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.